Finding the right used family car on a budget is not just about finding the lowest price. A vehicle that looks like a great deal today can become an expensive mistake if it comes with poor reliability, costly repairs, or doesn't meet your family's everyday needs. The good news is that many used cars have proven they can deliver the reliability, safety, and practicality families need without stretching the budget. The key is knowing which models offer the best long-term value and which ones are worth avoiding. In this video, we'll look at the best used family cars that combine dependable ownership, comfortable interiors, affordable maintenance, and real-world practicality. We'll also cover the strengths that make each model stand out and the important things to check before buying so you can choose with confidence. Number 8. Honda CR-V, 2017 to 2021 models. The Honda CR-V remains one of the smartest, budget-friendly family SUVs because it delivers the things that matter most: proven reliability, excellent fuel economy, a spacious cabin, and low long-term ownership costs. It's a vehicle that's just as comfortable handling the school run as it is a weekend road trip. Inside, the CR-V offers generous passenger space and one of the largest cargo areas in its class, giving families plenty of room for strollers, luggage, groceries, or sports equipment without feeling cramped. For the best long-term reliability, the LX model with the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter engine is the safest bet. Higher trims equipped with the 1.5-liter turbo engine are more efficient, but early models experienced oil dilution concerns in very cold climates. So checking the service history is especially important. The CR-V is an excellent choice for families who want a dependable daily driver that's practical, economical, and easy to live with for many years. Before buying, make sure the CVT operates smoothly, inspect the suspension for wear on higher mileage examples, and look for a complete maintenance history to ensure the vehicle has been properly cared for. Number 7. Toyota Camry, 2018 to 2022 models. The Toyota Camry is one of the best choices for families who prefer a comfortable sedan instead of an SUV. It offers a rare combination of excellent reliability, impressive fuel efficiency, a refined driving experience, and ownership costs that remain affordable over the long term. One of the Camry's biggest advantages is its proven powertrain. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine provides a strong balance of performance and efficiency, while the available V6 delivers more power for drivers who want a smoother and more engaging experience. Both options are known for their durability when properly maintained. For families, the Camry stands out with its comfortable seating, quiet cabin, advanced safety features, and excellent ride quality. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard on these models, providing helpful driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. The Camry is an ideal choice for families who spend a lot of time commuting and want a vehicle that feels comfortable every day while keeping maintenance expenses predictable. Before buying, check the service history, confirm regular oil changes, inspect the suspension on higher mileage vehicles, and make sure all safety recalls have been completed. Number 6. Toyota RAV4, 2016 to 2018 models. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the strongest choices for families who want the practicality of an SUV. With the long-term dependability Toyota is known for, it offers a spacious interior, excellent cargo flexibility, and a reputation for staying reliable even after years of daily use. Powered by a proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a conventional automatic transmission, the RAV4 avoids many of the concerns found in some newer turbocharged or more complex powertrains. Its simple mechanical design is one of the reasons many owners choose it for long-term ownership. For families, the RAV4 delivers what matters most: easy access, comfortable seating, good visibility, and enough cargo space for everyday activities. Available features such as Toyota Safety Sense, all-wheel drive, and advanced driver assistance systems also make it a practical choice for different driving conditions. This RAV4 is best suited for families who want a dependable SUV that can handle commuting, errands, road trips, and changing family needs without high ownership costs. Before buying, check for a complete maintenance history, inspect the suspension and brakes on higher mileage examples, and make sure the transmission shifts smoothly during a test drive. Number 5. Subaru Outback. 2018 to 2021 models. The Subaru Outback is an excellent choice for families who need more versatility than a traditional sedan, but don't necessarily want a larger SUV. It combines generous interior space, standard all-wheel drive, strong safety ratings, and impressive everyday practicality in a unique wagon-style design. One of the Outback's biggest strengths is its ability to handle different driving conditions with confidence. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive provides extra traction in rain, snow, and light off-road situations, making it especially appealing for families who live in areas with changing weather. Inside, the Outback offers a comfortable cabin with plenty of passenger room and a large cargo area that works well for family trips, outdoor activities, and daily errands. Its higher seating position also provides better visibility and easier entry, compared with many traditional cars. The Outback is best suited for families who enjoy an active lifestyle and want a vehicle that can handle commuting during the week while being ready for weekend adventures. Before buying, check the maintenance records carefully, especially for regular oil changes and cooling system service. On higher mileage models, inspect for suspension wear and confirm that all recalls and software updates have been completed. Number 4. Honda Odyssey. 2018 to 2020 models. For larger families, the Honda Odyssey remains one of the most practical used vehicles you can buy. While SUVs continue to grow in popularity, the Odyssey proves that a well-designed minivan can offer better everyday functionality, easier access, and more family-friendly features than many larger vehicles. Powered by Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the Odyssey delivers strong performance while providing the space families need. Its sliding doors make loading children, installing car seats, and parking in tight spaces much easier compared with traditional SUVs. Inside, the Odyssey stands out with its highly flexible cabin layout. The available Magic Slide second-row seats allow families to easily adjust seating arrangements, while the generous cargo space makes it ideal for road trips, groceries, sports equipment, and everyday family responsibilities. The Odyssey is best suited for families who regularly carry multiple passengers and want maximum comfort, convenience, and practicality, without moving into a much larger SUV. Before buying, check the maintenance history, confirm smooth transmission operation, inspect sliding door function, and make sure all recalls have been completed. Number 3. Toyota Sienna. 2017 to 2020 models. The Toyota Sienna is one of the best used vehicles for families who need maximum space, long-term dependability, and the confidence that comes with Toyota's proven engineering. It may not be the newest-looking option in its class, but its practicality and durability are exactly what make it such a smart family choice. Under the hood, the Sienna uses Toyota's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering strong power for carrying passengers and cargo without feeling strained. It is also one of the few minivans available with all-wheel drive, making it an excellent option for families who regularly deal with rain, snow, or challenging road conditions. Inside, the Sienna provides comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers, flexible cargo space, and a quiet cabin designed for long family trips. Features such as sliding doors, available safety technology, and easy access seating make everyday tasks like school runs and road trips much more convenient. The Sienna is best suited for families who prioritize reliability, passenger space, and keeping a vehicle for many years rather than replacing it frequently. Before buying, check the service history carefully, inspect the condition of the sliding doors and power features, and confirm that the transmission shifts smoothly during a test drive. Number 2. Mazda CX-5. 2017 to 2021 models. The Mazda CX-5 is one of the best choices for families who want something more enjoyable to drive without giving up practicality or reliability. While many compact SUVs focus only on space and efficiency, the CX-5 stands out with its refined driving experience, upscale interior, and strong safety reputation. Powered by Mazda's Skyactiv G engines, including the proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, the CX-5 delivers smooth performance with a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Its naturally aspirated engine design also avoids some of the complexity found in many turbocharged competitors, making it an appealing option for long-term ownership. Inside, the CX-5 offers one of the more premium-feeling cabins in its class, with high-quality materials, supportive seats, and a quiet driving environment. It provides enough room for everyday family needs while maintaining a smaller footprint that makes parking and city driving easier. The CX-5 is best suited for families who want a dependable compact SUV but still care about comfort, driving enjoyment, and a more refined experience behind the wheel. Before buying, check the maintenance records, inspect for signs of suspension wear on higher mileage models, and make sure all electronic features and safety systems are working properly. Number 1. Kia Sorento, 2019 to 2020 models, V6 preferred. The Kia Sorento earns the top spot because it delivers one of the best combinations of family practicality, features, and affordability in the used SUV market. For families who need 3-row seating but want to avoid the higher prices of larger midsize SUVs, the Sorento offers impressive value. The V6-powered models are the ones to consider for long-term ownership, providing smooth performance and enough power to handle a full load of passengers and cargo. Compared with smaller 4-cylinder versions, the V6 offers a more relaxed driving experience when carrying a family or taking longer road trips. Inside, the Sorento provides a comfortable cabin, available 3rd-row seating, modern safety features, and a premium feel that makes it feel more expensive than its used price suggests. Its smaller size, compared with larger 3-row SUVs, also makes it easier to maneuver in daily driving and crowded parking areas. The Sorento is best suited for families who need extra seating and versatility, but still want reasonable purchase costs, modern features, and manageable ownership expenses. Before buying, check the complete maintenance history, confirm smooth transmission operation, inspect the 3rd-row condition, and look for models with remaining warranty coverage when available, as Kia's factory warranty can add additional peace of mind, providing additional confidence for long-term ownership. How we chose these cars. Choosing the right used family car requires looking beyond the purchase price. A vehicle that saves you money up front can become expensive if it has poor reliability, high repair costs, or doesn't meet your family's daily needs. For this list, we focused on 5 important factors. First, long-term reliability. A family vehicle should have a proven track record of durability and the ability to handle years of daily use with proper maintenance. Second, safety and practicality. Families need vehicles with strong safety features, comfortable seating, easy access, and enough space for passengers and cargo. Third, ownership costs. Fuel economy, maintenance expenses, insurance costs, and parts availability all play a major role in the true cost of owning a used vehicle. Fourth, overall value. The best family cars are not always the cheapest options. They are the ones that provide the strongest combination of quality, dependability, and affordability. Finally, we considered real-world usability. A great family vehicle should make everyday life easier, whether it's commuting, school runs, road trips, or handling the unexpected demands of family ownership. Quick buying tips. Before buying any used family car, remember that the condition of the vehicle matters just as much as the model itself. Always check the maintenance history, because a well-serviced vehicle with higher mileage can often be a better choice than a neglected one with fewer miles. Inspect common wear items such as brakes, tires, suspension components, and signs of previous accidents or repairs. Finally, consider getting a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. Spending a little money before buying can help you avoid expensive surprises later. Choosing the right used family car is not just about finding the lowest price. It's about finding a vehicle that can provide reliability, comfort, and confidence for your family over many years of ownership. Every vehicle on this list has its own strengths, but the best choice will always depend on your family's needs, driving habits, and budget. A careful inspection and a complete maintenance history can make the difference between a smart purchase and an expensive mistake. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to Used Car Guide. We create practical videos to help you find better used cars, avoid costly mistakes, and make more informed buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.